Welcome. Today we're exploring Antispam Bee, a powerful and easy-to-use anti-spam plugin for WordPress. If you've been managing a WordPress site, you probably know how frustrating spam can be. Antispam Bee promises to handle spam comments without requiring CAPTCHA, making it a smoother experience for users and administrators alike. Antispam Bee is designed to filter out spam comments and prevent unwanted submissions on WordPress sites. The best part? It's free and ad-free. Once you install and activate the plugin, it starts protecting your site from spam right away, with settings that you can customize according to your needs. You'll find options for filtering languages, setting up IP block lists, and even marking comments with national origin indicators to help you decide if they're valid. The plugin provides several strong advantages. First, it works without CAPTCHA or other user blocking methods, so visitors can comment on your posts without disruption. Second, it's lightweight and integrates smoothly with WordPress, which means minimal impact on your site's speed. Third, it has options to save or delete spam, or you can set it to automatically delete spam after a set period. And if privacy is a concern, Antispam Bee doesn't collect user data, ensuring GDPR compliance for your visitors. But no tool is perfect. Antispam Bee's main limitation is that it only works with WordPress. So, if you're managing a website outside WordPress or need more complex spam management, it might fall short. Additionally, while Antispam Bee does a great job handling most spam, some users report that a few spam comments may still slip through, especially if they're in multiple languages or use unique formats. Pricing for Antispam Bee is straightforward. It's free to download and use, which is fantastic for those managing WordPress on a budget. However, for users with higher security needs or looking for advanced support, you might find premium plugins offer more comprehensive solutions. But for most WordPress users, Antispam Bee is more than sufficient. While we're discussing tools for managing spam and email, let me introduce Clean Email, an incredibly effective email manager. If spam in your inbox is just as annoying as spam comments on your site, Clean Email is a great solution for organizing and decluttering your email effortlessly. Follow the link in the description to check it out. Back to Antispam Bee. Once installed, it's easy to configure. Simply go to your WordPress dashboard, install the plugin, activate it, and you're ready to go. Adjust the settings to filter comments by language or look for suspicious IPs. Plus, you can even display statistics on the blocked spam, giving you insight into how effectively the plugin works for you. If Antispam Bee sounds like the right tool to keep your WordPress site spam-free, give it a try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.